Back to
Become sir.
Hello everyone, I am Dinesh Maurya from Muzaffarpur district, Bihar. Today we discuss about uh, state stair. All type. Here I present you all different type of stairs. You can see at board straight winder and two quarter winder and more spiral, curved and half leg U-turn double winder stairs here. Let's we discuss or show you the straight stairs. What are straight stairs? Straight stairs that is simple way to go one floor to second floor, not any turn or maybe it have landing. There are three types of straight stairs. First type standard straight stairs, no landings, and second type is straight stairs with landing. There may be a landing uh, at any uh, at any height according to the place. Third is floating stairs. The third one is floating stairs. We can present with picture. This is first type standard stair. The second one is straight stairs with landing, and third is floating stair. Floating stair is like standard stair, but the thread will between two threads the riser will not available or very less riser to control dust or waters, and transparent these all gap between two threads. This is third stair that called floating stair. Advantage of straight stairs: simple design and easy to construct, cost effective, easy to use and navigate, straightforward handrails, and easy to measure and calculate the rise and tread heights. There are some disadvantages of straight stairs. They requires first it requires more linear space, then less privacy, and more. Third one is very dangerous. If someone falls, stairs without landing. When someone falls, there is no chance to stay from first floor or upper floor to lower floor. The damage will increase. Step by step construction detail of step stair. First, we have to create design at AutoCAD. Then these two options are only required at ground floor, not first or higher upper floors. Excavation and PCC works are at ground floor required. Then we first design excavation PCC, then we have to create framework for the structure, then we complete the concrete reinforcement according to M codes, and then pouring the concrete at the structure between what where we have to create it, the framework. Then curing means I have to place 7 to 10 days according to the temperature to cure, to dry it. And then finishing means we according to cost we create tiles, marbles, lighting. These are the finishing work. And finally we fixed railing. There are many types of railing like glass, wooden, metal, GI, steel, etc. Design guidelines. There are many parts include in stair: thread depth, riser, height, width, slope. Slope, we always consider slope height. Slope will decide the distance or area is less or high. This according to the slope we always want to put slope at 30 to 35 degree. This slope is easier to go upward, like a small age and middle age or older age, senior age, all. This is accurate standard angle. Landing is very important for reduce the hardness. That's it. And now we will come at AutoCAD drawing. Here I draw or present you standard stair, standard straight stairs with landing, and floating stairs. Here I present you rise 6 inches. It may be differ at the place of design or site. Thread will be 10 inches for residential buildings, and for official building like and commercial buildings it may standard at 12 inches or 1 feet or 300 mm. Plan that is called when I am in front of a stair, what is I can show. The plan is simple landing at first floor or ground floor. The landing, this I have to separate place for this landing to cover wall and open doors to create. When I start here, then at top floor we have to place a door right here. Then there were very difficulty. So at starting we create more space for upper landing. This is plan, and same as here at the top level. This is elevation and this is section. We have to fix where I am from where I am giving this section. I created this axis or section view, section YY dash. From here I cut this plan, and after cutting this plan the visuals are like here. This is straight stair without landing. When I goes to second with landing stair, straight stair, nothing will difference with it. A simple landing is present here at side at any other height there or there, and the 21 inches 21 feet 10 inches can increase the landing. I have to decide the landing are similar as the width of stair. Not here width of stair is 3 feet and landing will 6 feet. This is not this is upward line. Straight stairs with landing. We can fix 2 landings at the requirement of people who is living in the building. like old age, our parents or our grandparents. Here we present the second type of stair called state stairs with landings, and third one is floating stairs. The same thing I was presented in PDF. The gap between two threads and the riser will disappear or not visible. Floating stairs. Uh, we have to care about two or three things like railing. Railing must important at the stair, and when we are planning of a stair in a building or in a residential or commercial building, we have to do, according to my experience, 2 points we should care more. First is distance between landing. When I fix it at 7 feet landing or 8 feet 6 inches, this space can use. When I placed this landing at 3 feet, like in this institute, the uh, the stair, the landing placed the stair between around 3 feet. The space below the landing is unless not in use. So we first thing, and second thing, we have to manage, calculate the width of stair. Width of stair is most important. For example, I have less space. I given space to rooms and other things, but I reduced stairs 3 feet, and with after the installation of handrails, it may be 2 feet width. And when I have to place any object, our house accessories like almirah, like wardrobes, to first floor or second floor, this is very difficult. So at ground floor or upper floor, we have to place space at stair to think about that. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
question.
Yes.
So in straight stair, how many steps we can give without landing?
Without
Landing.
without landing, how many steps?
Ah,
These are according to the height of floor. If the floor height 9 feet, then I divide the space 9 feet. The number of steps are increased or decreased according to the floor height. In according to the Vastu, we put the value in multiple of like 19, 21,
only odd number.
odd numbers. So if the height are uh, more than 10 feet or higher than, then we can reduce or increase the landing, no landing, the height of raise. Then I can calculate according to the height.
It's not think about the height.
It
It depends on the length of the stair.
number of steps.
Number of, yes, length also included. I forgot to say length, the area of the staircase length, length or width. It also depends at the turn and how many landing and which type of stair. It also depends. 2 points.
What's the standard height for the handrail?
3 feet 6 inches the standard height, and most this may differ according to, but the standard height 3 feet 6 inches, and One more thing, we have to place a height after the floor, like this is our RCC work 5 inches RCC floor, and we have not installed at this place handrails or post. We have to place a height like 6 inches or 9 inches brickwork to cover this area. There are two profit or two think about this place. Consider a man is standing here. There are no happen, but when a female, like our family members and any other, is standing on ground floor at a person through this side, this is not better. So we have to create this area to 18 inches, 1 feet 6 inches. The first thing is that, and second thing is when a person or staff are cleaning, this is not appear when then cleaning water. When the put water is here, this is at lower floor. So we have to create this small wall to consider these 2 points.
And there is one more thing. We have to give there is something railing now. The footing of the railing this must be fixed in something. So to fix it in something, that wall is created.
Yes.
To fix it base. So there
Huh.
must be a base.
Yes.
That is also the point.
To strengthen the post, railing post. Any other questions?
You said that staircase, the flight slope will be for the 30 degree to 35 degree.
Yes.
Okay. My question is, if the slope will go for less than 30 degree, what is the name it's called? Or another one thing, if the angle will go for the more than 35 degree, what it will be happen? Why you make it for the standard for the 30 to 35 degree for the flight slope?
First question you asked, what is the name between 30 degree or 35 degree? This area, lower than and upper than. This time I don't remember the name exactly what called. The advantages and disadvantages I can tell. When we reduce the angle, first thing I have to longer distance cover in steps and more number of steps are increased. And when I have area, then not I can reduce the height. The height of rise is 6 inches is standard. When we reduce the slope, the height always also reduce. Then height reduced to below from 6 inches, 5 inches or 4 inches. We are very uncomfortable to ride. I can throw out towards and our toe can follow 2 steps inward and there may be accident. And when we take 6 upper than 6 or 7 inches or 8 inches, this condition usually I used in residential for lack of space. So the angle also increased from 35 degree. So then I have to more effort or target tired easily. When only one floor, not maybe feel, but like this, like 45 bigger, like 8 inches. Angle will according to 8 inches. When I have to go at third floor, it are difficult.